Welcome sa inyong lahat dito sa aming channel. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para lagi kang notified. Kami si Justin and si Chris at ito ang aming Simple Life. Nood at comment down below. Please share and like this video.
Welcome back to another episode of the JK Vlogs. Just in case you're wondering what's on my lips, it's actually a lip tattoo. And I'm just waiting for my Uber. The Uber is here! Hello, Kuya! Try naman po tayo. So, the lip tattoo that I'm using right now is from Sacred Key. This is the lip tattoo that I was using. And you can order this on Yapan Oni's website. I'm just gonna put their link down in the description box. Oh, by the way, I have a little bit of an announcement. On January 24, there's gonna be... On January 24, there's gonna be an event, and it is sponsored by Yapan Oni, and the venue is gonna be at Valkyrie at the Palace, where Jay Park, if you know Jay Park, the Korean idol, he's gonna be there. He's gonna be performing. There's gonna be an entrance fee though, 2,500, and then you get a chance to win 5,000 worth of makeup products. By the way, I'm really not familiar just yet because I haven't read my email just yet. Anyway, I'm just gonna be putting all the information on paano kayo makakapunta doon and how you can join and stuff like that. Just make sure that you read the description box. It's just click down below. So there's a better way to peel this off. All you have to do is just to hold it out and then and peel everything all together. Quick and easy. Hey guys! So nandito na tayo ngayon sa Trinoma and hindi sumasagot yung kausap ko kaya pupunta muna ako sa makeup section para makapaghanap-hanap ng mga bagong makeup na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Look guys, sale sa Manila ko. Let's see. Mga maganda i-try. Naka-sale ba yung mga primer nyo? This one, I like this one. Favorite ko to for oily skin. It's still Christmas here guys. Hindi pa nila tinatagal yung Christmas tree. Now I'm going upstairs. So ngayon pupunta ako sa third floor kasi nandun yung mga home decor. Titingnan ko kung anong pwede kong bilhin na pwede kong ipang-decor dun sa aking shelves. I think I might get one of those cactus plants again. Kasi di ba nga, gaya na sabi ko sa ibang vlogs ko, sobrang na-addict ako sa mga cactus eh. Guys, gusto ko yun. Ang cute. Actually, cute din to eh. Kaso, I try to focus more on neutral colors like white, black, beige. Oh my gosh! Look at this! Gusto ko to. Ang ganda. Tapos meron pa isa. Magazine stand. So cute! I want one, pero anin ko naman. Guys, eto na nakita ko na. Eto, meron ako nito. I think if you follow me on Instagram, na-picturean ko na to eh. Meron ako nito sa Instagram ko. Eto, wala pa. Hindi naman siya cactus, pero it's still a plant, di ba? So maybe I should get this one. What do you think? Wala akong nabili, guys. Kanina pa ako paikot-ikot. So ngayon, nandito na lang ako sa grocery. Tingin ako ng mga pwedeng gamitin namin para sa mga future challenges sa aming channel. Dumating na si Daddy. Say hi. Saan galing?
Sa bahay.
Bahay sa
Lagro.
Okay. Tapos umorder kami ng pouchin. Or...
Pinili mo ako ng ano?
Snack.
Buko?
Oo, sabi mo.
Sa picnic mix.
Give it to me. Okay. Ayun, nandito na kami sa Starbucks. Eh, kanina na.
Sago.
Cheers. Bili kami ng sago.
Nakalahati sago.
Parang apat na shots. Apat na shot ng ano, pearl.
Tapos nung nahalo na yung shake, tsaka yan, maligam-gam na.
Room temperature na siya. And so Daddy's busy playing with his bowl. ayan guys, nakauwi na kami dito sa bahay. Medyo sayang sa oras kasi yung taong kausap namin. Actually, yung original appointment namin was a few days ago, but she canceled because of some personal reasons siguro. O basta may dahilan siya. Di sabi ko, sige, okay, let's just meet ng Sunday na lang, 5. So, I was there before 5. I did some errands and stuff. Tapos, nung mga 5 o'clock na, I was trying to call her, but she's not picking up. And then, I waited till 5:30. Sinabi ko sa kanya na sige, uuwi na lang ako. Baka siguro may importante siyang ginagawa. And then, she called me and then she said na may event pala ata sila or may workshop sila na she has to give out the certificates. Just, nakiusap siya if we can meet ng 7. So, yung unang meeting, na-cancel na. Pangalawang meeting late or na-extend na. Tapos, sige, sabi ko, okay. Tatanong ko kay Justin kung okay sa kanya mag-intay. Okay naman kay Justin. Tapos, mga 10 minutes before 7, nandun na kami sa meetup place. 7 o'clock, I was trying to call her. I was trying to text her na nandun na kami. Pero hindi siya nag-reply. Hindi niya sinasagot yung tawag. Pagkatapos, 7:30, wala pa si Ateng. Nakakaloka. I mean, like, seriously, hindi naman ako bad trip sa kanya. Kasi, good mood naman ako today. Pero siguro, if it wasn't a good day, medyo nakakainis lang yung ganong setup. Actually, kasi guys, ganito po yan. Sa mga magiging potential clients or partner in the future. Parang, to be honest, I'm not feeling really well today. Kulang ako sa pahinga. Tapos si Justin may sakit pa siya. Hindi lang talaga ako humindi kasi syempre para naiintindihan ko naman kung ano yung dahilan niya noong una. Yun lang, sana yung oras namin mahalaga din, sana yung oras din, alam mo yun, parang sana, ano ba, kasi ganito, kung sakaling malilate sa isang usapan, 10 minutes, kunyari, ang usapan nyo is this hour, mga 10 minutes bago dumating yon, pasabi ka na, o malilate ako, hintay lang saglit, andito na ako, ganyan, hindi yung, ito yung oras ng usapan, tapos, walang nihay-niho, tapos, diba, kakaloka lang, tapos, ang tawag dito, ayun, at the end nung aming meeting ngayon, malis kami ng 7:30 kasi maagang call time ko bukas, tapos si Justin, maaga rin ng pasok. So, hindi kami pwedeng late umuwi. So, umalis kami 7:30. Nag-text siya mga 7:40. Sabi niya, okay, I understand. Tapos, ayun. Alam mo, para sa mga nag-freelance ha, kapag may mga ganyang tendency yung mga kausap nyo na walang keme sa oras o kaya magulo kausap. Minsan, isip-isip muna kayo. Tutuloy ko ba yung project ko? Tutuloy ko pa ba yung agreement? Baka pagdating ng araw, pagsisihan ko. Yung mga ganyan. So, yun. Ingat lang kayo dun, guys. Pero, yun na nga. Kagaya na sabi ko, hindi ako bad trip, pero sayang lang. Sana na kapag edit ako ng video, o kaya sana nakapagpahinga ako. Instead, tsaka na 500 ako ha. Every labas ko ng meeting, 500 yan. Kasi syempre Uber. Papunta pa uwi. Kakalo ko tayong 500 ko. Pero sige, charge to experience, charge to events. Ngayon ko lang napansin, dalawa pala yung pimples ko nandito. I really love that BB cream. Parang kinis-kinis na mukha ko pag ginusuot ko.
I remember looking at my boss, feeling tiny, and thinking, when I'm his age, I want to be as big of a deal as he is. Now, I gave up on that years ago. You should never compare yourself to other people in life.
Number one lesson.
That feeling of standing at the
Never
bottom
compare
of a
yourself.
huge mountain, staring.
Remember that Crayola video that I just did, which I will be putting on that little I button right up there. One of the things that made me feel really demotivated, or that made me feel really parang, ano ba, it made me feel less of a person that I should be. It's when I try to compare myself
with other YouTubers, or especially with my YouTuber friends whom I truly admire. I really admire their work. They're very hardworking, but sometimes I wonder, like, what are they doing right that I'm doing wrong, you know? I mean, what do they have that I don't have, you know? Mga ganong thoughts. So, kaya nga sabi ko dun sa video na yon, number one realization ko is never look at the numbers. Just do what makes me happy. And right now, daily vlogging makes me happy. It's a lot of hard work, guys. Trust me, it's a lot of hard work. Because there was a time that I slept at 2 in the morning editing, and then I woke up at 7. So that's only like, what, 5 hours of sleep? And I enjoy it. I really do. It makes me push myself to go places, to go farther. You know, yung mga point na I never thought I can work as hard as this. Yun yung mga moments na nararamdaman ko ngayon. So, that's it, guys. Yun lang ang realization ko for tonight. Thank you so much for watching this video. By the way, I have already uploaded the Spot the Nut segment. Make sure that you check that out, guys. And of course, I'll see you on the next video. Bye!